Yeah, welcome once again to Trading Eagle channel. This is your one-stop channel for everything binary and everything forex here. We're dishing out value day after day, so I encourage you to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so whenever we upload new content you'll be notified. And please, if the video adds value to you, kindly give us a thumbs up. All right, let's proceed quickly. What we're going to do today, I'm going to show you how to create a Mt5 account on your derive.com account. You know, the last video we talked about how to fund, how to create different cryptocurrency wallets through which we can make deposits, and I'm sure you gained a lot of value. We created a BTC account, an ETH account, an LTC account, and a USDT account. So now I want to show you how we're going to make use of this account we've created and how we'll create a Mt5 account. All right, let's proceed. Okay, all right, we'll go straight to this arrow, this drop down arrow at the top right corner as usual. That's where our accounts are accessed from. Okay, so just click it and you'll see a drop down menu in a short while. Good. Okay, now under this real derive accounts where you have USD, BTC and the rest USDT, if you come under again, you will see Mt5 accounts. Let me circle it so you can see. Okay, I'm talking of this. Good. This is Derive Mt5 account. Now this is the account that you actually link to your Mt5 MetaTrader app, okay, to actually do the trading. And if you notice, it has its own balance, meaning the funds you have in any of these accounts up here, the USD, BTC and the rest, is not necessarily reflected on the synthetic. Okay, let's go ahead and create. We'll just click on this add here. Okay, so good. Now it will bring a page for inputting your password. So you create a password that is both secure enough and easy for you to remember, and you follow the instructions given beneath. Strong password contain at least 8 characters. Combine uppercase and lowercase letters and numbers. So follow their recommendations. So let me quickly create one. I think I have to start all over. Okay. Great. Okay, I'm done. So I just click on add account. Okay, here's a success message. Said you've created a Mt5 real synthetic account. To start trading, transfer funds from your derive account into this account. Okay, you click on maybe later. Good. Now what you have to do is copy this number somewhere, write it in your diary. That is your account login number, okay, for your real account. So mine is 120 4518. So I'll write it, I'll note it down somewhere where I can always reference it. Of course, the password is already in your memory, so you need those two. Okay, now we can also create one for our demo accounts. This is for real. Here's your demo option, so I'll click on that demo option and create one. That one you can use it for practice before you fund your real account. So quickly, let me click on demo. Okay, just come here under synthetic, come here and add demo account. Okay, good. You just create a password the same way you created one for the real account. Good. Okay, so you add account. Okay, it said you've created a Mt5 demo synthetic account. Click on OK. Do the same thing. Copy the account login number and write it down somewhere and indicate that it is demo. Okay, I mean this number. Okay, mine is 1823845. Okay, that's the demo. Of course, the password is in your memory. So that's it. We successfully created an Mt5 account for our real account and an Mt5 account for our demo account. So that's it. Now let me show you. Okay, let me show you how to move money in between the accounts. Okay, let's say you funded your account with Bitcoin, either of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, or USDT, and you want, if you notice, if you look at the synthetic account, you see that the balance is 0. Okay, though there's no money in the whole account anyway, it's a new account, but the value is always 0 if you've not transferred money to it from one of these accounts. So how do we do that? Okay, it's very simple. Okay, now we'll come back to these are our options and menu button up here. Okay, click on it. Shows us it gives us some options. You go to Kasha once again and click to give you some more options. Now you have deposit, which we've treated. We have withdrawal, which we are yet to treat, but honestly it's the same thing, just in reverse. Then we'll have transfer. Now that is the option we want, because we want to transfer funds from one account within our Derive account. It's like a sub account in our Derive account. We want to transfer funds within our account in our Derive.com account. Okay, so just tap on transfer. It's going to bring you to, okay, now it's not going to work because there are no funds in any of the accounts. Okay, but what's going to happen is it's supposed to show you options of account to transfer from and the account to transfer to and the amount to transfer. That's all. So for example, if we have money in our Litecoin account now, I want to transfer it to our Mt5 account, all we have to do is, in the space where it says from, you put the Litecoin or the Bitcoin or the USD, depends on where you have the funds, and the place, the box provided for to, you just click, you see drop down arrows there, you click, you see options there, you just select your Mt5 or whichever account. You can convert this LTC to BTC, you can convert the BTC to ETH, you can transfer between all of them. Okay, So whichever one, but we're talking of Mt5 now. So we're assuming you're transferring from your Litecoin account to your Mt5. So where you see from, you just choose the drop down menu there on that box. You see the options, you choose Mt5, you choose the amount of Litecoin you want to transfer to the Mt5, and once you are done, you click on transfer. Instantly, whatever value you chose will be transferred to your synthetic Mt5 account. So immediately you can access it from your Mt5, your MetaTrader app. Okay, so the same thing applies for everyone. It's the same process. You can transfer between every one of them. You can transfer ETH to BTC, you can transfer LTC to USDT, you can do a transfer between any of the wallets you have here. Okay, even with the DMT5 account you created, you could transfer the DMT5 funds to USD, you can transfer it to BTC, ETH, whatever. You can transfer any one of them to every other one. Okay, so that's just it. And once you have the funds in your Mt5 account, it's accessible on your trading terminal or your MetaTrader app, so you can start trading immediately. The same thing applies if you want to withdraw from your Mt5. For example, you've traded, you've made some money, you just come here and go to that transfer, then just transfer from the DMT5 synthetic to any one of these accounts. But note, like I said earlier when we were talking about deposits, you actually withdraw using the method that you use in depositing. Take note of that. So for example, if I use Litecoin to fund this account, when I want to withdraw, I will transfer the money from this synthetic to Litecoin. Okay, so then I will request for withdrawal using Litecoin. So I'll have my external Litecoin address that I will submit for the withdrawal process here. So when it's completed, you see the value in Litecoin under your external wallet. So the same thing applies if you use ETH in depositing, you withdraw via ETH. If you use BTC in depositing, you withdraw via BTC. If you use USD, one of those methods, you withdraw using USD. Okay, the same thing applies for USDT. So it's straightforward, it's easy. Just go to that menu button, click on Cashier, click on transfer. From there you can navigate your way. You just select the account you are transferring from, select the one you are transferring to, and you put the amount you want, and just with a click of a button you have it done. So that's it. I hope this video added value to you. If you did, please just click on the thumbs, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel, and also hit the notification bell. Thank you.